In today's video, I'm going to show you how to silently install Zoom. I will begin this video from my GitHub page, and I will start by clicking on the Zoom download link. As you can see here is the Zoom support page that has many of different installers of Zoom. The one that we want is the MSI installer because it has the silent installation options. So I will click on it, and it downloaded quite fast. Now I will run my command line as administrator and go to my downloads folder. Here we can see our file. Like always, I will start by typing cmd/c for us to see when the installation finishes. Then I will type the file name, and because it's the MSI installer, we can just use quiet qn for no display options, and just in case no restart. And let's press enter. And while it's installing, let's go back to the GitHub page. And here I also left the full command and also a link to documentation. Here you can find more options that you can enter to the MSI installer, like no desktop shortcut, silent start, auto updating settings, and many more features that this installer supports. Our command line is available now, so the installation has finished, and it seems to run just fine. Like I said before, you can find all the information that you need in my GitHub page, and if I can find it in the description down below. So, see you in the next one.